Well, some maths homework for the summer vacation was given to my son from his school, and I thought while solving these, why not share this with you all? So here is the second part of this video. Sorry for late uploading. Well, let's start from this one. Simplify. Root over x whole to the power 2 by 3 root over y to the power 4 is divided by root over xy whole to the power minus half. So as it is divided, so I will write this as a denominator, and the first portion is as numerator. So root over xy whole to the power minus half is a denominator, and root x whole to the power 2 by 3, and as this is root over square root, so I can write it as x to the power half, and the power is 2 by 3. So x to the power half into 2 by 3. Similarly, root over y, that means y to the power half, because it is the square root, so y to the power half, and the power is 4, so half into 4, and this is the denominator. So cancel the 2's, and 2 2's are 4. Well, now what we get in the numerator, we will get x to the power 1 by 3 and y square. Clear? If any doubt, please write it in the comment box. And in the denominator, the square root, that is minus here, so we will make it plus or positive, so it will become 1 by xy, the power will be positive, and that will be half. You got it? Minus become plus because I have made it the reciprocal. Now let's see what's happening. In the numerator, it is x to the power 1 by 3 y square, and the denominator, as it is under a square root, so this is 1 by x to the power half and y to the power half, because the half was given as a whole power, so individually x will get x to the power half and y would be y to the power half. Now the next step, as we have nothing to do with the numerator right now, so we will write it as it was, that is 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 and y square. And in the denominator, look, this is the square root, so what we will write, or what we can write it as the 1 by x to the power half and y to the power half whole to the power half, because this is the square root. So the square root becomes the power of half to the whole thing. Check it out step by step very carefully. If there is any doubt, please inform me in the comment box. Now I will do the next steps. So x to the power 1 by 3 y square, and that here the denominator after y square, the denominator is 1 by x to the power half and y to the power half, so, and the whole power is as the half, so it would be x to the power half into half, and y to the power half into half, that means x to the power 1 by 4, and y to the power also 1 by 4, because the power will be multiplied with the external one and the internal one. Now x to the power 1 by 3 as it was given, and the x to the power 1 by 4 would be the numerator according to the rules of the fractions. So, and y square and y to the power 1 by 4 would be also become the numerator. Now x to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 4, y square into y to the power 1 by 4. So there are two x's with different powers and two y's with different powers. So what would be happen for the x? The base is x, the powers will be added. Now I am writing the y square because this power is not a fractional power. So I am writing it first y square, and now x to the power 1 by 3 and x to the power 1 by 4 will be added, and the y with the fractional power I am writing it at last. Now y square in the first position. I hope now you can see the lines. Y square and x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This would be, I will add these powers as the addition of fraction. So it would become the x to the power, the LCM would be 12. So the power will be, new power will be 12 as a denominator, and 4 plus 3, that would be 7. So x to the power 7 by 12. And as the fractional power of x is 12, so the y with the fractional power I will made it also 12. So to make it 12, I will have to multiply it with 3, and as I am multiplying with 3 in the denominator, I will have to multiply 3 with the numerator also. So the new powers are just like this: y square, x to the power 7 by 12, and the new power of the y, fractional power of the y, is 3 by 12. The denominator powers here I have made these are same, so that I could write y square, and the powers in the denominator I could write it just like this: 12th root, as the 12 in the power is denominator, so it will become 12th root, and the x to the power 7 and y cube. So the answer is y square into 12th root of x to the power 7 into y cube. Now prove another one. This would become 1. So I have to prove it. So this is the left hand side LHS, and the 1 is written as the RHS. We have to prove that LHS equals to RHS, that is the LHS will be 1. So x to the power a minus b, and the whole power is a plus b. So the powers will be multiplied, as you know the rules. So x to the power x minus a into x to the power a plus b. Next, x to the power b minus c, outside the power is b plus c, so it would become similarly x to the power b minus c into b plus c, as the powers of inside and outside are multiplied. Third, x to the power c minus a into c plus a, similarly. Now these figures, I think you already have guessed, these figures are indicating a particular formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. A minus b is written first and a plus b after that, no matter. The formula is, that means a square minus b square. So x to the power x square minus b square, here b minus c into b plus c, that means b square minus c square, based on the same formula, a plus b into a minus b. C minus a, c plus a, that is c square minus a square. So all the x's bases are same x, so if the bases are same, the powers are added. So x to the power a square minus b square, the first power, plus the second x's power is b square plus c square minus c square, sorry, and the third x's power is also be added as c square minus a square. Now look at it very carefully. All the powers will be cancelled because there is one a square and one minus a square, one minus b square, another plus b square, so that would also be cancelled, minus c square plus c square. So the whole powers have become 0, x to the power 0. You know that anything to the power 0 is 1. So x to the power 0 is 1, and that is the RHS or right hand side, and it is proved. Okay, got it? If there is any doubt, please write in comment box. Find the value of 4 by 216 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 minus 4 divided by 256 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. So I am writing it as numerator to make the power positive power, because that was negative power previously. So 4 into 216, the power is plus 2 by 3, and second one is 4 into 256, the power would become plus 3 by 4, because I am making it its reciprocal, so the power would become positive power. Now I have to convert 216 as a power of 3, so that I could cancel 2 by 3, the denominator 3. So 6 cube is 216, so 6 cube, and the outside power is 2 by 3, that would be multiplied 3 into 2 by 3 minus 4 into 256. I have to make it the power of 4, so 4 to the power 4 is 256. So 4 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. The powers will be multiplied, or inside and outside. The 4's will be cancelled. Here the 3's will be cancelled. So 4 into 6 squares minus 4 into 4 cube. I am taking the 4 as common factor. So 4 into within bracket 6 square minus 4 cube. Now outside there is 4, 6 square means 36, and 4 cube, which is it? 64. Okay, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So 64 minus 36, that will be 28. The sign will be minus, and 4 into 28, after multiplying it, we will get 112. The sign will be minus. This is the answer. Got it? Take a screenshot. If any doubt, write it in the comment box. So we will go to the next sum. If x equals 5, y equals 2, find the value of first one, x to the power y plus y to the power x. X is 5, so 5 to the power y means 2, that means 5 to the power 2 or 5 square. Y is 2, so write 2, power is x, that means 5, and the whole power is minus 1. So 5 square, that means 25, plus 2 to the power 5, that means 5 2's are multiplied, that you will get 32, and the whole power is minus 1. Now add the 25 and 32, you will get 57. The power is minus 1, so I can write it as 1 by 57. As the power is minus 1, it will become its reciprocal number. This is the answer. You may write the 1 by 57 in its decimal form, as I have written 0.0175. Now the next one, x to the power x, that means 5 to the power 5, y to the power y, that means 2 to the power 2. The power is, outside power is 1, minus 1. So 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5 means 5 5's are multiplied. what we will get 5 5s. Just do it in your rough copy. We will get 3125, and 2 square means 4. Outside the whole power is -1, just like before. So 3125 plus 4, that means 3129. 25 plus 4, 29, and the power is -1. So as the power is -1, we could write it like 1 by 3129. This is the answer as a fraction. You may convert it also in a decimal number, and the decimal number I have got using my calculator is 0.000319. Now the next one, 2 to the power x into 4 to the power x equals to 8 to the power 1 by 3, 32 to the power 1 by 5. Find the value of x. So 2 to the power x, we have nothing to do it with this one, so I am writing this as 2 to the power x, but we could write 4 as the power of 2. So 2 square, and the x is also there, so 2 to the power 2x. Here we can write 8 as 2 and give some power to it. So 2 cube, that is 8, and outside power is 1 by 3. So 2 cube into 1 by 3, 32. We could write it as the same power of 2. I actually notice that I am converting or making all the numbers into the base 5. So 2 to the power 5 means 32, and the outside power is 1 by 5. Okay. Now, sorry that I was adjusting my camera. 2 to the power x and 2 to the power 2x. So the powers will be added because the bases are same. So 2 to the power x plus 3x, and here also the powers bases are same. Let me cancel the same powers as numerator and denominator. So I will get 2 to the power 1 plus 1. Now all the bases are same, so it is 2 to the power 2x. Sorry, I have written mistakenly that 3x. Now it would become 3x, not previously. Previously the power was 2x, so x plus 2x, it would be 2 to the power 3x, and this will 2 to the power 2 or 2 square. So left hand side and right hand side, both the bases are same, so we could write 3x equals to 2. That means x equals to 2 by 3. So 3x equals to 2, or x equals to 2 by 3. This is the answer. Clear? If there is any doubt, just write it in the comment box. Take a screenshot of this and practice this in your copy. Next one, 2 by 3 whole to the power x, 3 by 2 whole to the power 2x equals to 81 by 16. Here we also have to find the value of x. 3 by 2 and 2 by 3, and here also 3 by 2. So I will convert the first 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, its reciprocal number, and as I am making it reciprocal, the power will be negative. So 3 by 2 minus x. I am converting 2 by 3 as 3 by 2 by changing the power closer to the negative, and this is also 3 by 2, so I don't have to convert it. 3 by 2 whole to the power 2x. Now 81. 81 means the power of 3 by 2, the power will be 4, because 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So in left hand side and right hand side, the fractions are same, that is 3 to the power 3 by 2, and so powers will be added. So 3 by 2 minus x plus 2x, as the bases are same, the bases are 3 by 2, so the powers will be added in left hand side, and right hand side the power is 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. As the bases are same, so powers will be same, therefore we will have to write the therefore sign. Minus x plus 2x, the power is equals to the power 4. Minus x plus 2x, that means x or x equals to 4. This is the value of x, this is the answer. Clear? Okay. Take a screenshot and practice. X to the power a equals to y, y to the power b equals to z, z to the power c equals to x, then prove abc equals to 1. Very interesting. All the sums are very interesting. Just do it. First, make it numbering. Let me numbering the given values. This is 1, this is 2, and this is number 3. It will help us to it. So from 1 and 2, that is x to the power a b equals to y to the power b, because y is x to the power a and y to the power b is x to the power ab. Because we could write y as x to the power a and y to the power b means x to the power a b. The b will be with x to the power a. So this is the number 4. Now x to the power abc. X to the power c means z. Z to the power c is x, so z to the power c equals to x to the power abc. So z to the power c is also given x. Now we could write x to the power abc is equals to x as given in the number 3. So bases are same, so we could write abc equals to 1 because x to the power x means the power is 1. So abc equals to 1, that is proved. Simplify. A to the power minus 1, a to the power divided by a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1. Well, the powers are negative, so make it positive powers. A to the power minus 1, that means 1 by a to 1 by a. The denominator is also 1 by a plus 1 by b plus, here in the second fraction also the powers are negative, we will make it positive power, so we will write it 1 by a divided by 1 by a as a to the power minus 1 by minus 1 by b. Well, now what we will do next, just write the numerator and taken the LCM. LCM will be AB and that would be B plus A. So the denominator will be B plus A by AB and numerator is 1 by A, denominator is also AB is LCM, so the denominator would be B minus A by AB. So the last denominator AB, that would become the numerator. Let do the next step just on this its side because I am lacking the space or it would go outside the frame. So 1 by a, AB will become the numerator, 1 by a into AB divided by B plus A, this is the denominator, plus 1 by A. Here also AB will become the numerator, so 1 by A into AB divided by B minus A. Interesting. The A will be cancelled. Now the denominator is B plus A and B minus A, so we will take the LCM for adding these. After cancellation we will get B by B plus A plus B by B minus A. Now we will have to take the LCM. The LCM will be simply multiply these two, B plus A multiplied by B minus A, and the first one will be multiplied with the second one's denominator, that is B into B minus A, and the second numerator will be multiplied with the first one's denominator, so B into B plus A. Okay, got it? Now the denominator has become a common figure that indicating the formula a square minus b square. So we will write is like this: b plus a into b minus a, that means b square minus a square, similar to the formula of a square minus b square. And in the numerator we will just simply multiply b square minus ab plus b square plus ab. See here there is 2ab, one with minus, one with plus. So plus ab and minus ab will be cancelled, and b square will be added as 2b square, and denominator is as the same, b square minus a square, and this is the final answer. Okay, got it? Hope you understood. Now the next one: cube root of 4, square root of 3, cube root of 6. Write it in ascending order. So first write the cube root, square root as the power. Cube root of 4 means 4 to the power 1 by 3. Square root of 3 means 3 to the power 1 by 2. And cube root of 6 means 6 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now 3, 2 and again 3, the denominators. We will take the LCM of the denominators. That means 3, 2 and 3. Just like the ascending, descending orders as you have done it with the fraction. So with LCM we will get, that is 6. So we will have to make all the denominators of the powers as 6. So 1 by 3, if we want to make it 6, so we will have to multiply it with 2. And as we will multiply the denominator with 2, the numerator will also be multiplied with 2. So 4 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 3 by 3, so that the denominator becomes 6. And again 6 to the power 1 by 3, to make it the denominator as 6, we will have to multiply with 2 by 2. Now all the denominators of the powers became same. So first one is 4 to the power 2 by 6. Second one is 3 to the power 3 by 6. And the third one is 6 to the power 2 by 6. Got it? All the denominators are same. So now we will write the denominators as the root. So as it is 1 by 6, this would become the 6th root of 4 square, 6th root of 3 cube, and 6th root of 6 square. All of this will become the 6th root. Okay. Now just simply calculate the values of 4 square, 3 cube and 6 square. So within 6th root, 4 square is 16. Within 6th root, 3 cube, that means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And 6 square within 6th root, that means 36. So all these are within 6th root. Just now arrange this. These are already arranged in ascending order: 16, after that 27, and after that 36. No matter, this could happen, just you have learned the process. So in answer I will write these are already in ascending order. Take a screenshot and study it by writing in your copy. Now simplify. 2 into 4th root of 81. So 4th root means the power will be 1 by 4. So I will have to write 81 as someone's power to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. And cube root 216. You know 6 cube is 216 plus 15. Sorry for the vibration of the camera. Just compromise with it. 5th root of 32, that means 2 to the power 5 is 32. Why I am making all these like this? Just to cancel the 5th root, cube root, 4th root, etc. And the square root I am writing 225 as the 15 square. 16 I will write it as the 2 to the power 4. The power I have taken 4 to cancel the fourth root. So to cancel all the power with the fourth root, fifth root, cube root, I will convert this into their powers. So 2 into simply 3, 8 into 6, minus 8 into 6. Cube and cube root is 1 by 3. 15 into 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5, that means simply 2, plus 15 square into 1 by 2, that means simply 15, minus 1 by 4, 4 into 1 by 4, 2 to the power, that means simple 2. Now the simple equation just like plus 1, 2, 6 minus 8, 6 48, plus 30, plus 15, minus 2. You can make it write it 13 directly, or first write it 15 minus 2 to avoid any silly mistake. Now add the plus numbers and minus number. Adding the plus numbers you will get 51 and minus numbers you will get 50. So 51 minus 50, that means the answer is 1. If the video is helpful to you all, don't forget to inform it in the comment box, and don't forget to write your doubts in the comment box. So see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.